Hey y'all, and happy Thursday. So I don't think I've picked up the camera that much this week. There has just not been a whole lot going on. I did not coupon because Publix had like an extended ad. I did not pick up anything at Food Lion, so work has been slower because the kids were testing. I've been catching up on paperwork, things like that. Really not much to show there. But what I need to do today is run a couple errands and get the girls a few things that they need to go to my parents' house for spring break. They have asked for them, so we are not denying that time, okay? So I need to make sure that they have exactly what they need as far as clothes and everything else. But did I tell you guys, like a couple months after school started this year, I had to go back and buy V some more clothes? She hit a growth spurt, and a lot of the clothes that she started school with, they were too small. So I know that the clothes that she wore last summer, they're not gonna fit. Rain is bigger than what V was at her age, so the hand-me-downs and some of the clothes that Rain had last year is not gonna fit. I need to get her a few things as well. So I'm just going to get both of them clothes that I know is going to fit. That way they are good to go for their time and then into the summer as well. So let's go ahead and head into this store. This is a really good deal on these 5-pack of shorts. They are $10, so $2 per pair. That's cheaper than what you would find at Walmart, Target, or wherever you get your kids' clothes. So definitely check Sam's out. And they also have the solid color ones as well. I think I'm gonna go with the colorful ones for now. So y'all, if y'all have not tried these chips, definitely check them out. They are really, really good. I think it was $7.98 for this huge bag. And I also just got the shorts for the girls. That is all that I picked up. I already checked out with Scan and Go. So I'm about to get up out of here and head to the next spot. All right, y'all, so I had to go home and take some refrigerated items home that I forgot that I had in the car. And I have a partner with me. You gonna say hey? I don't know why she acting so shy, y'all, but we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, see what we can come up on in Marshall's. It's been forever since I've been in here, so excited to see what they have for us today. We are in the kids shoe section. I have been wanting to get V some rain boots. Oh, I know these not on clearance. Oh, they on clearance.
I like those. I like those better.
You like the flower ones better?
My size. I think I love this one the best.
You think you like that one the best?
I think I want to buy.
You want to buy it? You got some money?
Yeah, I got some money at home.
You got some money at home?
In my piggy bank.
Why you didn't bring your money? Film case. Still in blue. I don't need it, but they have it. Look at Jimmy Choo. Oh my goodness. Y'all, they got Jimmy Choo floral in here. I think I need it. I think I need to get that one because I just smelled that one a couple days ago. All right, y'all, so here is a glimpse of perfume section. If you're still looking for sand and fog, my store does have a couple of these. Okay, so far I did pick these two up. These smell amazing. Love these. I'm gonna grab these for V. I need to start showing her how to do her facial care and things like that. You like it?
I'm gonna bring that to the teacher.
Okay, I think this would be a good end of the year gift.
Maybe the teachers might like it.
Yeah, I think it'll be a good end of the year gift.
But with me too.
Y'all, they have the cutest little teacher gifts in here. I think these are just blank notes. These are cards and these are little notepads. Let me show you a few of these. That's one, and then they have one that looks like a notebook. I really like that one. And they come with like a little pen too. And then they also have this one, which is really cute. I think I'm gonna grab one for each one of her teachers, and we're gonna do end of the year gifts for them. And y'all, they even have the cutest little bags. Oh my goodness, look at these bags. Oh goodness, these are so cute. I love them. And okay, y'all, I had to show y'all this one. This one is so perfect. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And these are $2.99, by the way. This planter, y'all, is so unique. I love it. So it's like a stack of books. So cute. If I could keep plants alive, I would get this. I really would get this. And here's the other side if you want just that part to show.
Yeah.
I'm back home and I'm about to do a nighttime cleaning. Kitchen has gotten a little out of hand and I am not going to bed with it looking like this. So I need to go ahead and get it together. And my floors definitely need to be mopped.
And it never gets hard enough for ya. You've been enchanting this heart of mine for the longest time. Slow dancer, you stun me up with all your romancing, and it's making me weak like no one has, like there's no one else in the world. I'm under your spell.
All right, y'all, so I'm about to put together the girls' Easter baskets. A lot of the items that I picked them up last year on clearance. Y'all know how I do. I like to shop off season. So I got a good bit from Michael's, just a few items that I picked up this year. So I'm just going to go over everything real quickly. So the 2 baskets I bought from TJ Maxx this year, I think they were like $16.99. And y'all, I have to show y'all the little tails on the back. So cute. And then I have the 2 Peeps. I have 2 of these Peeps pillows I bought from Michael's. That stuff was like 80% off. Got this year from Walmart. Walmart for this. This was also a Michael's find. All 3 of these books came from Walmart. I think they were like $1.24, something like that. These pencils, Michael's. The cups, Michael's. The bubbles, Walmart this year. This little light up spinner, Michael's last season. The little bunny ears, Michael's last season. The pajamas, I bought these from Walmart. I think they were like $1 or $2. I found them on clearance. The book I found from Burlington. I think I showed you guys these 2 books in the last video. And then this little Hello Kitty little activity egg with the candies and the stickers and things like that. This came from Five Below. These little eggs came from Walmart. I think they were like 5 cents last year. This paper, I found it in my stash. Not even sure where I got this tissue paper from. And that's pretty much it. And then here is a repeat of everything else with the exception of these little hair ties that came from Michael's as well. 80% off of these. I'm going to put those in V's basket. So yes, that's pretty much everything that I have. I tried to get them a lot of the same things or they will be fighting. So hopefully they won't fight. So let's go ahead and put this together.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna.
All right, y'all, so here are the baskets. They came out super cute. This is my first time doing this. Usually we would just buy them a basket, and a lot of the things that were in the basket they didn't like, didn't play with, or what have you. But this way you can customize it, put things in there that you would like to have in there, and you can limit the amount of candy. As you guys saw, I did not put a whole lot of candy in these baskets. It's a lot of things that they can play with, which is what they mostly do. So yes, I love them. This is Rain's basket. Threw a few eggs in there for her. They don't have anything in them, but she will love to just play with them. And then this is V's basket. I love these, y'all. I love them so much. And I cannot wait for them to see them. Good morning, y'all, and happy Easter. So I'm about to make the girls a quick breakfast, and I'm going to let them eat, and then I'm going to set up their baskets, which is not going to take me long, and then I'm going to let them come back in and let them enjoy them. So let's get started. Y'all, if y'all have never tried this pancake mix, try it. It's a 10 out of 10. It's so good, y'all. So good. Dramatic.
I know. What is this?
Huh?
I know what is this.
You don't know what it is?
No.
What you mean you don't know what it is?
I don't know who did this.
I did it.
What? See, there's nothing in its eggs.
Huh?
There's nothing in its eggs.
I know, it was a trail.
Raymond's opening the eggs.
Right. Y'all more intrigued with the eggs than the baskets. There's nothing in them.
Open it.
I see.
Because we want to.
I could have gotten y'all all eggs.
Birdie.
Those are hair ties. They go in your hair.
Hey, that's mine.
Y'all got, it's the same thing, so it don't matter. That's why I made sure I got y'all the same stuff.
Ooh, theirs.
That's a book.
Ooh, stuffy.
It's a Peeps pillow.
A peep.
Yep.
Squishy, squishy.
Yep. Squishy, squishy.
What's this?
See?
Oh, that's how I like
That way you can color in and stuff. That's it. Nothing else. And you got another one of those. That's it. You like it? Ooh. There you go.
Make it bigger.
I could have just got them eggs. So that brings us to the end of this week's video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next one.